Hello dear YouTube team. My name is Hafiz bakar awam and my YouTube channel name is also Hafiz bakar awam. As you can see, my channel has 4.95k subscribers and 227 videos. You can see the URL of my channel on the screen. The videos I make for my channels are something like this. Everyone in my audience loves to watch videos like this. That's why I create these types of videos. Dear YouTube team, please approve my this appeal video and monetize my channel again because my audience loves me so much. As you can see, I create my videos under the policy of YouTube. Thank you so much. Now I'm showing you how I create my video. First of all, I connect my Boya mic to my phone, connect my phone to the stand. Then I open the camera of my phone and record my video like this. I record my video and then I open the CapCut software, adding my videos, and now I'm editing it on my CapCut software, mobile editing software. In this part I cut my extra parts of my videos, split it and cut, then delete. Then I tap on the upload. It's gonna be downloading. After this I upload it on my channel, YouTube channel, and also upload the title of my video and the description of my video, the tags of my videos.